Hello again. Brush lettering is free-spirited, so you can break a few rules and get away with it if you know how. Whenever you read about brush lettering, you're told to use the smoothest paper possible, otherwise the tips of your brush pens will fray. That's certainly true of felt brush pens. But fibre, water and paintbrushes all work happily on textured paper. Most of the time I prefer to go slow, but for an edgy vibe I work faster because it's wonderfully expressive. Although it looks easy, it can be tricky to get right. So make sure you plan your composition carefully in advance. Previously, I told you to keep your angles consistent. Let's break that rule too. Draw the lines in pencil first to get the balance right. Then swing your letters back and forth. It can look fantastic. The last rule to break is the pressure rule. Because brush pens give a thick line, if you put pressure on all your downstrokes, your lettering can look heavy. Try the occasional thin downstroke. Again, for this to be successful, you have to balance your overall piece. So, you've broken lots of rules. You've written on rough paper, you've written fast, you've swung your lettering back and forth, you've even gone thin on some of your downstrokes. There's just one rule not to break. Never go thick on an upstroke. For the final video in this series, I'll show you how to write on some unusual surfaces.